Huh? Yeah? Yeah? What else can you say? Uh-huh. What else? I'm going to send this to Grandma and Pat. What do you want to tell them? What do you want to tell Grandma and Pat? Huh? You want to say hi? Huh? You want to say hi? Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Anything else? Huh? Anything else? Anything else? No, not for today. That's it for today? Maybe later? Maybe later? Okay. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Yeah, there you go. Show little smiles. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You're getting your morning exercise. Mm-hmm. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Mm-hmm. I agree. Okay, we're going to turn it off now. Say bye. Say bye.